In my hand are the final packs I have left from Twilight Masquerade. So in this video, we'll be opening 10 booster packs. In our last Twilight Masquerade video, we pulled banger after banger. I think it's a full art. Yo!
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
We pulled another full art card in. So hopefully we can have the same luck in this video. Pack 1, can we start with a heavy hitter in this pack to get the video rolling? That's what we need. We need that good energy today. So we've got a bit of trash. I think this might be a non-holo pack. So we haven't kicked off this video with a good pack. But you never know. Sometimes you gotta get the packs out the way so you can pull the bangers. On to pack number 2. So we got an apple chilling in the bowl, we got an Abra, we have the apple evolving, and we have a flute to play some bangers on. Hopefully a banger which gives this video some luck. Half the time I don't know what I'm chatting in this videos when I'm doing commentary. So we got a Goldeen, we got a spooky soup in a vase, we have a centipede, and our final card is a guy just chilling there looking pretty evil. I don't know his name. If you know his name, let me know in the comments what his name is, because I have no clue. So we've got our cotton candy ball to kick this one off. Oh, I see something in this pack. Do you see that shiny? So we've got the spooky. Oh, it looks like could be a banger, this one. So it's a rare, an RR. It is a... Ooh, it is an absolute banger. Look at that artwork. Look at the holo pattern on that. We've pulled our first EX. So that is not a bad one to pull. And then we have a net on a basket. Not too bad. We'll be sleeving this one up. We have still yet to pull a gold card. I'm hoping maybe we can pull a gold card in this video. So, we've got another shiny there. We could have another goated video. If you watched our last video, we were pulling goated cards. So what do we have lurking under here? Oh, it's looking like a normal holo. It is a monkey with a big forehead, and there we go. So can we get a full art today? So we got a Chimenko. Oh, I can see another shiny here. We got Possessed Soup, we got Snorkel, I think it was called Snorkel, and we have a Mask of Change, an Ogerpon, not Mask of Change. We have an Ogerpon in the leaf form, followed off by a trainer card of the different Ogerpons itself. On to the next pack. Ripping them open like it's Christmas. So we have a Duckling, a Sandcastle. When did Pokemon get so weird? We then have a Donny holding some timber, and another, it's just another holo. We have a Possessed Candle again, followed by a Melodic, I think it was called. Come on, give me some pack magic. How is everyone finding this set? I've not heard big raves on this set, but I've not heard disappointment either. Oh, I think we've got a banger in this set. It's looking like a EX card. Okay, let's see what we have. Can we make some dollar today? It's looking like an Ogerpon to me. $50, it's an Ogerpon. It is an Ogerpon, so there we go. We've pulled an Ogerpon EX. This is the fire variant, which will now go with the water one we pulled in the last video. So that is a really nice card. The artwork is really good on this. And we will be ending off this pack with, I don't even know what that is. Come on, we've pulled a fire EX Ogerpon. Can we pull a full art to match it like our last video? So we have a Sandshrew. We do have a holo, and the holo is, we have a knitted Sandcastle, and the holo. Ooh!
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
We've just pulled an full art rare. That is a banger. Look at that artwork. These full arts are getting like more and more fire every single set. That is a great pull. And then the final card is a shrimp. Forgot what it's called. Tashishini? Huh? Some shit like that. So our final pack, we have pulled a full art, we have pulled an EX, and I'm not seeing any holos. We got a Farfetch, a Volt Buzz, I think, a Pochi something, and no holos, just a bit of pollution tower going on for our final card. So here are the pulls we've had from this Twilight Masquerade video. Make sure you subscribe because I'll be opening up some Evolving Skies booster packs next week.